As a board certified OBGYN, I'm trained to care for patients with evidence based medicine, not politics. But in just 100 days, the Trump-Vance administration has done more damage to reproductive freedom and in science than some do in a full term. President Trump issued pardon for 23 people convicted of blocking abortion clinics. Imagine rewarding those who endanger patients just trying to access care. One of them even had stolen fetal remains in her home. They're withholding funding from many family planning organizations that receive Title X grants. So clinics are shutting down. People, especially those in low income and rural communities, are losing access to birth control, cancer screenings, and basic reproductive care. They have nominated departments and agency leaders who oppose science and reproductive rights. They've pulled down reproductiverights.gov and they've removed important guidelines from the CDC. I rely on evidence-based guidelines to care for my patients. When those guidelines are erased or manipulated, everyone's health is at risk. They've slashed funding at the CDC, specifically dismantling teams that study fertility treatments like IVF. They've also issued executive orders censoring terms like gender and LGBT from federal documents. That's not just erasure, it's dangerous. When we censor science, we're putting lives at risk. They've also prohibited federal agencies from recognizing transgender individuals and have restricted insurance coverage for gender affirming care. This was all done in 100 days. But here's the thing, people are fighting back. Across the country, we are organizing, marching, filing lawsuits to defend our rights, our science, and our futures. I became a doctor to serve people, not politicians. This fight is far from over, but we are far from powerless. Follow for more to stay informed, stay empowered, and stay ready.